students, in this video you are going to learn about helping verbs. Okay, we have already learned about the intro of main verbs, helping verbs, and we have already done the exercise on main verbs and helping verbs. Okay, now I am going to tell you where to use these helping verbs. Okay, where to use these helping verbs. So what are helping verbs? Yes, 5 words are the helping verbs which is used to help the main verb, right? It helps the main verb to tell the time of the action. It tells the time of the action, okay, because main verb is an action word only. So with the usage of helping verb, we can get the actual time of the action when it has been done. Okay, so what are helping verbs? 5 words are helping verbs, I said, and what are they? That is am, is, are, was, were. These are the helping verbs. Okay, now I am going to tell you where to use this am, is, are, was, were in a sentence, and in which is a present and which is a past. Okay, so before going to the class, let me ask you, do you know the meaning of present? What do you understand by the word present? Yes, present means the current. What am I doing now? The current situation. Okay, what I am doing in the current situation now, that is called present. What is the meaning of present? The actual time. Now what I am doing. The word now represent the present only. Okay, present means now or daily. This time what I will do? I will do this one only. Okay, so the current situation is the present. Okay, and what about the past? Past means it has already done. It has already done. Suppose now I am telling you what I am doing. What I am doing? I am just walking. Okay, now I am walking. I am walking now. Okay, now I have stopped and now I am going to jog like this. Okay, so what before I was done? Before the jogging, what I was doing? I was walking. I was walking. That has been completed, right? So the work which has been completed, that belongs to past time. That is will be past, which has already done. See, before now I'm jogging. What I was doing before? I was walking. I was walking. So that walking has been already done. So that time will be the past time. Okay. Now what I am doing now? I am jogging means now it is the present time. Clear? What is present and what is past? Yes, present means the thing, the action which you are doing now. Okay, now what you are doing, that is the present. What you have already done, that is the past time. Okay, that is the past time. Now from the 5 words which are present, which are mean to tell the time of the present and which tells the past time, that we are going to learn. Okay, here am, is, are. Am, is, are represent the present time. It talks about the present time. Whatever you are doing now, we use these helping words. What are they? Am, is, are. These words tells the present time, and was, where are used to tells the past time. Was and where are used to tells the past time which has been done already. Okay, just now I gave you example now. So now again I am going to give you the same example, like now I am walking. I am telling you I am walking. Okay, I am walking. So I am walking. Here you can see I am using am in the main verb, walk, right? Walk. I am walking means what? I am doing now. Okay. Now I am going to do jog only. Okay, I am going to do jog. Okay, here I am going to do jog. Now I am jogging now. Now the current situation, what I am doing? I am jogging now. But before jogging, what I was doing? I was walking. What I was doing? I was walking. So that was tells the past time because before jogging I was walking. Here I am using was to show the past time. Clear? Okay, let's learn where to use this am, is, are. To which subject or to which pronoun we need to use am, is, are. Okay, so am, this word, the am, it can be used only with the with the pronoun that is I. So whenever you are talking about yourself, if you are making a sentence start with I as a subject, you are going to use am. Okay, I am walking. I said I am walking, not Kiran. Okay, so here this am only used for only the subject I. Only for the subject pronoun I we can use am. Remember that am can be used only for I. Okay, and what about are? A-R-E-R. This are can be used for the plural pronouns. Okay, for or also plural names. For the plural pronouns also we can use plural subject as well as the plural names. Okay, two names or three names whenever we are talking, no, there we can use are. Okay. And what about his? His will be represent to only the single person. When you are talking about single person name, there you have to use is. Is. So for the pronoun he, she, it, we can use is. Okay. Now let's learn with some example. Okay. Now I can give you. I am going to take the verb, the action word, that is read. Okay. Read is a main verb. Okay. Remember that if we are using the helping verb, we should add ing to the main verb. So now I am read is a wrong way. So what we need to add? We need to add ing. Why? Because we are using helping verbs. This am, is, are, was, were. Whenever we are using am, is, are, was, were, we need to add ing to the main verb. So I am reading. I am reading. So I am reading is a correct answer. Here am is a helping verb and reading is a main verb. And note it down, always main verb should comes with ing if the helping verbs is there in the sentence. Okay. Now next will be you are. I can use the same verb, same main verb, that is reading. For this also I am going to use the same only, reading. Okay. So let me read out the example. You are reading. You are reading. We could not say that you is reading or you am reading. So the correct way of saying, the correct way of using the helping verb for the you will be are only. Whenever you use a sentence, which start from you have to use are only after it. Okay, you are reading. We are reading. They are reading. So this you, we, they represent the plural person only. Suppose in place of this pronoun, I can use name also. Like Ramesh and Rajesh are reading. Ramesh and Rajesh are reading. Then Pavitra and Sujita are reading. Pavitra and Sujita are reading. So for the plural person, we need to use are. Okay, for the plural person, we need to use are plus this verb plus ing. Okay. Then if we are talking about the single person, we are talking about only he means only one boy. Okay. He is reading. She is reading. It is reading. Like he means I can say one name like Rahul. Rahul is reading. I am talking about only Rahul, one person. If I am talking about only one girl like Rohini. Rohini is reading. Not Rohini are reading, because Rohini is a single person. Okay. Rohini is reading. Then it will be my dog is reading. My dog is reading. It is very short, right? My dog is reading. So here, whenever we talk about only one person, for the present time, what they are doing now, when you are going to talk about them, then there you have to use is only for the single person. If they are plural, if you are going to use plural names or plural pronoun, then you have to use are. What about am? Am only can be used only to the subject I. For only I we use am. I am reading, I am talking, I am sleeping, I am praying. Okay. So remember that where do we use am? For I. Where do we use are? For you, we, they plus plural names. Okay. For is, he, she, it plus singular person name. Okay, single person name. We use is only. Okay. Clear? Okay, let's learn about the past. That is was, where are the past are the words which we tell the past time. Okay. So now I was what? Which verb we can use? You can tell me. Shall I use the same thing? Yes? Okay. So here I am going to use the same thing like reading. For this also, whenever we use helping verbs, we need to add ing only. I was reading. So for am, the present verb, am is a present helping word. Then for the am, the past tense will be was only. I was reading. You were, because are, for the are present verb we have used are. So for the past word for the are will be were only. Okay. For are will be were. So here we have used are. It is the present time. So for what is the past helping verb for the are? Yes, were. So you were reading. You were reading. We were reading. They were reading. Now he was. Why I have written? To show the past only. So before that, in the present we have used is only, right? Is a present verb. For the is, the past will be was only. For is, the past verb will be was. So he was reading. He was reading. We need to add ing to the verb also. He was reading. She was reading. It was reading. So now just remember that now we are reading. Okay, I am reading. Suppose I am reading yesterday. Should I say like this? Yesterday I read. So how can I say? I was reading. I was reading. So here the present verb will be am. What is the past verb for the am will be was only. Okay, am is the present and was will be the past. I was reading yesterday. You were reading yesterday. You were reading yesterday. Means here instead if we use are means it talks about now you are reading. No. You were reading yesterday when I saw you. Okay. So you were will be talk about the past. Okay. Same. We were reading. They were reading. He was reading. Was stands for the past time. Suppose if we use is mean that talks about the present time. Okay, but here was will be the past time. Okay, he was reading yesterday. She was reading yesterday. It was reading yesterday. Okay, so remember that was and were talks about the past and am is are talks about the present only. Okay, so in this sentence if you find am means what will you say? This is present or past? This is present. If you find where, W-E-R-E, where, what will you say? This belongs to present or past? Yes, where belongs to past only. Okay. So, suppose if I am telling you was, the word was belongs to present or past? Yes, was belongs to past only and are belongs to present. Now, I am going to tell you the sentence like, I am drinking water. I am drinking water. Here, this represents present time or past time. I am reading. I am drinking water. So, here am tells the present time. So, here I am drinking water means this is the present time. Suppose I am telling you, I was drinking water in the morning. I was drinking water in the morning. Here, this I was drinking water in the morning means it talks about the present or past. I was drinking. So was represent the past only. Okay. Now Sheila was running. Sheila was running. Here this was represent what, children? Yes, past. So remember, am is are the present. Talks about the present time. And was where are used to talk about the past time. Okay, so wherever you use am or is means that past tense you know now, right? For am the past tense will be was, are past tense will be where, and is past tense will be was. So I'll see you in the next video, children, by doing the exercise. But you have to find out which is present time and which is past time. And I hope you are clear with this present and past time. Now if you are going to talk about the present time, you need to use am is are, and if you are talking about the past time, you have to use was and were in a sentence. Thank you so much, children.